Here we go at 5. First now, confusion over how Hurricane Harvey victims can apply for short-term food assistance benefits.
Well, several people were turned away from the Health and Human Services office. Marisol Gonzalez has the story. Do we know what the problem was, Mari?
Sonia, officials tell me it came down to the counties where they live. Only residents living in 11 counties with smaller populations were approved by the federal government at this time.
What are we supposed to feed our families? What are we supposed to do?
This was a response from a Port Aransas resident who waited hours to apply for the short-term food assistance program at the Health and Human Services office.
They told us that we weren't on the list for starters, but we are.
Under the Disaster SNAP program, people can receive benefits when they return to their homes and have access to power and grocery stores after a disaster. There's only 11 counties with smaller populations being served at this time. If you're in an affected area with a larger population, officials say you'll have to wait for now.
It says to me that we're not very important. We don't amount to anything. We don't count.
As for the larger populations like Houston and Corpus Christi, officials say those sites to apply for DSNAP are coming in the next few days. In a statement from the Health and Human Services office, officials say larger areas affected will require multiple sites to register. They're in the process of getting sites that will handle huge volumes of applicants. However, the delay and confusion left some residents unhappy.
Greg Abbott, or whoever it may be, he should have done the counties that were the hardest hit, and that's Nueces for Port Aransas, and Aransas County, and San Patricio County.
And guys, also important to note, residents seeking assistance will need to meet certain requirements to be eligible. You must have experienced a loss of income, destruction of your home, or disaster-related expense. The requirements will be listed on our website, kctv10.com. Andy?